All right, guys, I've been talking to my buddy Aaron Cates about the rock light set. He actually just put a set of these same lights on his 7.3 new body style or round body style he just got. So these things looked awesome on his truck. We're gonna do them a little bit differently. I'm gonna put 2 in each wheel well just because I like the rock light look, and I don't think if I do them under the running boards it would look right on this thing. So I'm gonna do 2 in each wheel well. Got one of them out just to show you guys. These things, they're beefy, and I mean, these things are like metal casings and they just feel super strong. So let's get all this stuff out. You got all kinds of wiring, and then this little like controller box that we're supposed to be able to hook our phone up to. Some instructions. If you watch Aaron Cates videos, he made it look pretty easy, so hopefully that's how this goes. Hey, something that's super nice is they give you this switch, and it's actually a pretty decent switch. It doesn't look like it's something that, you know, looks like crap in your interior. This is a pretty good looking switch, so I'm already loving that. This might be kind of annoying to put under the truck, so I'm gonna have to find a good place for that. And then we got 7 more lights to get out because I got the one there, and hopefully we can make this thing look good. All right, guys, so far I'm digging this install. We got 2 of them in the back wheel well here, 2 of them in the front there. There's this little like channel right here that I was able to run the wires through, so that works out perfect. Coming over to the other side, we've got these 2 mounted in here. I need to clean up this wire down here, and this one is ran where I want it. Next, we need to mount this to probably the frame rail up under the truck, and then I still need to mount the front 2 driver side. We'll hook up the power and see how they work. All right, everything is ran. I ran every wire. I had to run all the wires right in between these 2 doors underneath, which is kind of a nightmare because my AirDog fuel system is right there. And I do want to point out these rock lights, they come with two different length wires. So you're supposed to do 1 in each wheel well, and then I believe like 2 along the frame rails. So there's 4 that are really long and then 4 that are really short. Well, they're not really short, but I was pushing it with the wiring that I had on the Yukon because I did 2 in each wheel well and none on the frame. So if you had a longer truck than this, it might work on a crew cab short bed. Anything longer than this though, you would either have to run 1 in each wheel well and then some on the frame rails, or you would have to lengthen the wires. They might sell extensions, I'm not exactly sure, but you wouldn't want to cut these wires and splice in new wires because each wire is 5 separate wires, so you don't really want to cut them. There would be a ton of work involved in that. So I've got the fuse box kind of taken apart right now just to get easier access, but I hooked everything up to power, which is right here, ground, which is right here, and then the switch is ran in the cab. So now we need to grab this little paper that they give us, and I need to download the app for this stuff. So I'm going to do that before we power everything up, and then we will record this to kind of get the first impressions, and then we'll take it for a little drive here in a little while when it gets a little darker and see what she looks like. All right, guys, so to get the app, you're supposed to be able to scan this, and I'm just going to do it in real time for you guys just to see how this works. So we'll go to the App Store, Mictuning app, and we'll hit install, and we should be good. So once this installs, I'm going to open it up. Definitely looks like the Mictuning app, and I believe we are good. So now I need to power up the lights, and then we'll connect them with Bluetooth and see how it goes. All right, guys, it is definitely hard to see in the day. You can see it. It's just kind of hard to see on the camera. So I just turned them on and they are blinking through all of the colors, it looks like. I can tell you this thing is gonna look crazy. So let's connect here. We're gonna go through this little menu, which we can play with the app in a little bit. We'll hit next. Let me show you the app. I finally got it connected. You have to have your location on, which kind of threw me off, but here we go. I'll put the phone right here so you'll be able to see. We can change. The blue looks amazing. You can do all kinds of different stuff. Green. The red looks pretty cool, but it's not as bright. I dig the blue. It looks so crazy. I think Daisy likes these lights a lot. Let's see if she can pick a different color. What color? White? No, do pink. Now look. Yay!
This one.
Here, do a different color. What color is that?
Purple.
Do a different one.
Red one.
Which one? Do it again.
Red one.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Green.
Now what color?
Blue.
Look. What is it?
Blue. Hey, look.
What is it doing?
Oh, waiting.
Well, I think the Mictuning lights are a hit. You gotta get the 8-piece rock light kit because this looks incredible. Every color is super bright. Mictuning definitely knocked it out of the park with these. Super happy with them on the Yukon. I think Daisy's liking them too, so. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll catch you in the next one. I think Daisy likes these lights a lot. Let's see if she can pick a different color. What color? White? No, do pink. Now look. Yay!
This one.
Here, do a different color. What color is that?
Hobo.
Do a different one.
Red one.
Which one? Do it again.
Red one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, green.
Now what color?
Blue.
Look, what is it?
Blue. Hey, red.
What is it doing?
Waiting.
Well, I think the Mictuning lights are a hit. You gotta get the 8-piece rock light kit because this looks incredible. Every color is super bright. Mictuning definitely knocked it out of the park with these. Super happy with them on the Yukon. I think Daisy's liking them too, so. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll catch you in the next one.